Hello, Grandview families. This is Lisa Gelman, 6th grade ELA teacher. This will be a short video on how to navigate your way through WinGauge or our Gradebook system. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to our grandviewchargers.org webpage. When you get there, you will see these tabs across the top. You will click on the one that says Parents and then click on Gradebook. That will take you straight to our Gradebook website. Once you get there, you will see a sign-in page. You'll use your username and password to sign in. This is actually a fake account, so I could show you how to do this. So you'll put your username, which is normally your first initial and last name, and then your password, which is generated by the system. Sign in. When you sign in, it'll take you just to this generic summary page, which tells you the current session we're in, third 9 weeks. Here on the top left, you'll notice a link for training video and mass announcements. Mass is the company that runs WinGauge, so any announcements they have will pop up in a box like this until you hit mark as read. Normally, this will just give you the maintenance schedule and anything that they might be doing. If you don't have time to read it right away, you can hit remind me later, and it will pop up continually until you hit mark as read. So again, this is the summary page. If you want to see where any announcements or events are, you will click on this tab. So for example, we are out Monday for Martin Luther King Day, and that is on the announcements page. To see how your child or children are doing, you're going to click on the Reports tab. Once you get to this tab, you'll see that the progress report is the report that you want to generate. I will call your attention to the left here to these 4 boxes. When I print these in class, I like to check all 4 boxes so I can get every detail of what's going on for my students, and if I print it out so they will know as well. Once you've checked all 4 boxes, you're going to hit this print icon here on the right. Now, you don't actually have to print the report. You can just look at it. What'll happen is down here on the bottom left, it will pop up as your student progress. You may click on that. And if this were a real student, it would pop up with their name, all the classes they had, the assignments they have, their grades, anything you need to know, their absences. For our purposes today, it's a blank. So like I said, you can print using the print icon here, or you can just look at it. Once you're done, you just close it out with the X. And that's basically all you do to log in and see how your students are doing. Once you are finished, you'll want to click the log out button here on the right, especially if you were on a public computer. So you'll click log out and then close out of that screen. I hope this video helps.